We had a deal.
We had a deal.
I thought we had a deal.
No, we had a deal.
You showed up.
We had a deal.
I thought we had a deal.
We did, and now we don't.
I thought we had a deal.
I welched.
Hey, we had a deal and you didn't stick to it. You're grounded.
Dan, we had a deal.
A handshake is hardly a deal.
Oh my God, I think I'm gonna hit you.
I thought we had a deal.
You changed the cars, I changed the deal.
We had a deal, and wearing a gold cloak wasn't part of it.
Fine.
You're not taking Susan anyway. What the hell does that mean anyway? I thought we had a deal.
And I'm sorry.
We had a deal, Senator. We get the feeds, you get the relevant numbers.
Ow! Sorry. What's going on? What happened here? I thought we had a deal.
We had a deal. You and me and Patrick, we're a team. We're friends.
We had a deal, Notte. I gave you your money. Now give me my papers.
Fuck your papers!
Joey, we had a deal. That's why you're here. I've got to fire you.
And I gotta pay rent.
Excuse me? That wasn't the deal. We had a deal.
Your deal just expired.
We had a deal, Dad.
Any more women and children?
Your money can't save you any more than it could save me.
Get back! We had a deal!
Obadiah Price. Yes, I did make you a promise.
Stiltskin, we had a deal. You agreed to free all ogres.
But Fiona isn't all ogre, is she?
Make it 2,000.
No way. We had a deal.
Then make it 3,000. And good luck finding someone else to take you there.
Please? Do you take Visa?